Good morning and welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody. We're back with another brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Tinder account. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And Tinder is a dating app, so just keep that in mind, alright? That you're entering Tinder, which means your Facebook and your location is going to be shared with other people and other informations as well. So be prepared for that, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this. Once you download Tinder and open it, it's going to give you three options. You can choose whichever method of signing up you want. I'm going to go with Facebook because I find Facebook easy, so I click and continue. But you can choose whichever option you like. Open. So my Facebook over here is open, so I'm going to click and continue over here. And it's going to take you to the next step. And on the next step, click on create new account. And once you're over here, you need to enter your phone number and click and continue. I'm going to do that. So on your phone number, you're going to receive your code to verify that it's your phone. So you need to enter the code over here. And on the next step, you need to enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email over here real quick. You guys also do that. Once you enter your email, click on continue. And over here, click on skip. I don't want to link my Apple ID. That's why I'm doing that. And click on I agree, which means you agree to its terms and service. Enter your first name, enter your date of birth over here, enter your gender, and choose what type of persons you want to see, and choose which gender you want to see. And if you want to enter this information, you can. Otherwise, you can click on skip, and over here you can click on skip at the top right corner as well. And you need to add at least 2 photos of yours, so do that real quick and click on continue at the bottom. And over here, click on allow location and click on allow while using app. And basically, which means you're allowing Tinder to access a location. Once you do that, your Tinder account is created. So that's how you guys can create yourself a Tinder account, everybody. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, everybody. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then. Have a nice day.